Subscriber question number 9. Iri kuti 4 interior angles of a nonagon have a sum of 460 degrees. The remaining interior angles are equal. Find the size of each of the remaining angles. Kana mchida kuziva question, mune makutotarisa at the beginning of this video, munopoza video, monyora question pasi. Saka ma specifics atapiwa pa question yedu anoti taudziwa kuti 4 interior angles are equal to 460 degrees. The sum of 4 interior angles is 460 degrees. Then before taenda kure taudziwa kuti our shape is a nonagon, and the nonagon is shaped in 9 sides. Then in effect yataura pa question pedu ndeyekuti kwanzi the remaining interior angles are equal. Saka the remaining 5 angles are equal. Question yedu ikazoti find the size of each of the remaining angles. So this is very easy, but chatifango kuunderstanda ndechekuti we are dealing with the nonagon, and the nonagon has 9 sides. So before we go anywhere, we should find the sum of interior angles of a nonagon. Saka we are going to be dealing with this important property of angles. Sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. Kureva kuti tikada the interior kana the sum of the interior angles of a nonagon, so tichati 9 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Why 9? Because a nonagon has 9 sides, and tataura kuti n represents the number of sides. So what is 9 minus 2? That is 7. Correct, we need to multiply 180 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 8, what is it? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it's 56. Then 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Saka reason yandinoverengera zvigumwe. This is what I've been taught by my junior certificate teacher, Mr. Charumbira at Kokomere High School. Kuti unofanga kutoverenga zvigumwe azvinyadzise, because as you grow older, and especially in academia, one form 1 hauchazi mu grade 5 kana mu grade 6, you might feel the impulsion yekuti iko zvino izvi unofanga kuita ma calculations mumusoro. Actually unofanga kutomaita nezvigumwe when necessary, kuitira kuti uavoid by all material means ma arithmetic errors. I need to share this. I was on Facebook, then I saw a certain post yanga yakanzi, I am an astrophysicist, I work for NASA, but today I just googled the formula of the area of a sphere. And many people were encouraging, some quoting what Albert Einstein said, that I do not fill my mind with things I can easily find out, cannot things I can easily research out. Saka, where am I driving? We should avoid arithmetic errors, and in doing so, we should calculate correctly, and where it is necessary, tofanga toverenga zvigumwe azvinyadzise. Saka taona kuti the interior angles of a nonagon, it's 1260 degrees. Now let us clear the space kuti tione toita sei. Patava kuzvino izvi ndicheck kuti taziva kuti the sum of interior angles of a nonagon is equal to 1260 degrees. Against my better judgment, ndichazama kudraw a nonagon. I'm going to try, but let me not waste your time. So I'm not going to draw a nonagon, but I want you to picture zviri kutaura question yedu. Sa question yatiudza kuti for my interior angles a nonagon ari kuita equate to 460 degrees. Ndobva yatiudza kuti the remaining angles are equal. Zvazvanzi find the size of each of the remaining angles. Saka we can actually say let remaining angle kuroti 1 remaining angle bx. Saka taudzwa kuti for ma angles tikama adder anotipa 460 degrees plus then the remaining angles anova 5 kwanzi they are equal, kureva kuti they should be 5x taiwana kuti tati x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Maangles ayakafanana satogona ngoma representa ne one variable which is x. Saka since ari 5 ndosaka tati 5x. So 460 plus 5x is equals to 1260. So this is how we find the size of each remaining angle. Saka ya equation we need to make x subject to formula. This 460 fanga kuinda ku right hand side kureva kuti tana 5x it's equals to 1260 or 1260 minus 460. So let us calculate this. We are saying 1260 subtracting 460, then it's 0 0 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that's 8 or 800. Saka 5x is equal to 800. To get x, we just divide both sides with 5. Kurakuti x is going to be equal to 5 into 5 into 1, 5 into 8 into 1, remainder 3. Then 5 into 30 into 6, and 5 into 0 into 0. Saka each angle is going to be 160 degrees. This is how we calculate it. I know hangu dzimwe nguva ndinowanza mbambo pachitewo cheshindi, dzimwe nguva I overshare, dzimwe nguva ndinoteta bara ramhanya chairo ndotadza kungoanza question simply, but I do that kuitira kuti tidzidze more. Saka kana paine a question pertaining to this question yatabva kuita, kana paine pausina kunzwisisa, write it down in the comment section. I will attend to that question. Thank you.